If you are brand new to Canvas quizzes, one of the nice features about Canvas quizzes is if you've had a test bank in the past, you can oftentimes import those questions into your item bank, which makes it really easy to build quizzes. But if you're building your quizzes manually, one of the things that many people don't know is that those questions that you build on your test are saved in the question bank. And unfortunately, they're put in this folder called Unfiled Questions. So we're going to show you today how to organize that and how to make your quiz giving life easier. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the Add Question Bank. And in this case, we're going to call it Isotopes. And we're going to make sure we hit Enter. If you don't hit Enter and just go on to another one, it won't save. And then we're going to create another one called Exit Ticket. So now that I have my two question banks, they have no questions in them. What I'm going to do is show you the process of taking these unfiled questions and moving them into those question banks that I just created. So in the bottom of each question, you'll notice that it says Move Copy Question to Another Bank. Well, in this case, I want to click Move Multiple Questions. And so what I can do is I can simply pick the questions that I want to move. So let's say I want to move these first 5 questions. And what I want to do is I want to move them to the exit ticket. And I'm going to hit Move Questions. And what you'll notice is that those questions are no longer in the unfiled questions. They've moved to the question bank. So I have 1, 2, 3 more questions that I need to move. So I'm going to pick those 3 questions and I'm going to move them to exit ticket again. And then I'm going to move the rest of the questions. And I wish they had a select all button so I didn't have to click all these, but now I'm going to select Isotopes and I'm going to move those questions, and now you'll see that I have no unfiled questions. And if I go back to my question banks, you'll see that now these are neatly organized, and this will make it super easy to build my quiz the next time I want to build a quiz.